If the NFC reader is not working on your iPhone, or you're not able to read any kind of NFC tags on your iPhone, there are a couple steps that we can take to definitely get that fixed. So let me walk you through those. The first thing we're going to do is on your iPhone, head into the Settings app, scroll down from that Settings app, and let's make sure screen time is not causing an issue. So tap on Screen Time. Scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. From here, you can see Allowed Apps and Features. Tap on that. And if you have the Wallet app turned off here, it will prevent you from using that NFC reader to pay for things in your Apple Wallet. The next thing we're going to do is make sure that your Apple Wallet is set up and a card is added to it. So go all the way back to the beginning of your settings. Scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Now from here, scroll down and look for your payment cards. You should have a credit card or a debit card on here. If you don't, just tap on Add a Card, and then you'll be able to see debit or credit card as an option. Just tap on that and then go through the process of adding that debit card or that credit card. Again, you can use the NFC reader on your iPhone to automatically enter in the details, or you can enter them in manually. Now, if you go through these steps, another potential option, if it's still not working, is that the case is causing issues with that NFC reader. Because essentially the NFC reader is on the back top of your iPhone. Sort of, let me flip this around. I have a little thing on here, but it's sort of around here, around where this kind of stand is. So essentially what you're going to want to do is make sure that is free and clear, and maybe take the case off of your iPhone to make sure that is not causing an issue with that NFC reader. But if it still is causing an issue, let's open up the Settings app on your iPhone. We're going to go back to the beginning of your settings, tap on the General option towards the bottom, and then from here, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then choose Reset. From here, all we're going to do is hit the reset all of your settings and then enter in the passcode you use to unlock your phone. This will reset all of your settings and essentially bring all of the NFC settings back to factory default, fixing a lot of issues with that NFC reader. However, if this still isn't fixing your issue, let's do a force restart or a hard reset on your iPhone. To do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button. I'll show you how it works. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. We're going to keep holding it even though it says slide to power off, because we're going to wait until your iPhone screen goes completely black, and then eventually after a few seconds your Apple logo will appear, indicating that it's been restarted. You can then release your fingers and you've done that force restart, a lot of times fixing NFC. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.